Hey, what's going on? So last month I paid $30 for AI image tools. This month, zero. And honestly, I'm getting better results now. Let me show you what happened. I know what you're thinking. Another AI video, right? But wait, this isn't about hype, it's about saving you money. In 2026, these free AI image generators have caught up. Some are even using the same core tech as the paid ones. So if you're a designer, a marketer, or just need good images, you no longer need to pay monthly. Let me save you 3 hours of research. I've tested four tools. Here are the best ones for free. Okay, so let's start with the absolute easiest way to get high quality images without ever opening your wallet or giving a credit card. It's Bing Image Creator built right into Microsoft Copilot. You just open Copilot or go to copilot.microsoft.com. It's totally free with a Microsoft account. You probably already have one. Oh, and one cool little thing. The moment you click that box, it throws out prompt ideas, random suggestions like autumn leaves forest path. So if you're ever stuck for an idea, just hit that little refresh button and it gives you fresh ones. But here's the part most people miss. Once you're logged in, click this mode menu at the top. You actually get to choose your AI model for free. Vivid and Natural is Microsoft's own model. It's great for detailed, realistic shots. Stylized illustration runs on dall-e 3. That one is perfect for quick, artistic images. And Versatile Expression uses GPT-4o. It can handle any style, text, even an image you upload. Three AI models, zero cost. For this coffee shop poster, I'll pick a detailed one. Now, what I love about this is how simple it stays. You pick a model, type your idea, and that's it. And remember, one of those models is dall-e 3, the same powerful model behind some paid tools. Look at this, a nice coffee poster, good lighting, warm mood. But look closely at the text. See how daily brew and the tagline come out a little messy? Hold that thought. It's perfect for social media posts, quick blog graphics, or just generating ideas fast. You get around 15-20 boosts per day for faster generation, then it slows down a bit, but it's still free. Honestly, for general image needs, this is a solid choice. It's my go to for quick content. But here's the thing, most AI image generators still suck at text. You get garbled words, letters that don't make sense. And for logos or advertising, that's a problem. That's why Ideogram.ai is a game changer. Ideogram is designed from the ground up to handle text better. It has a free tier that gives you like 25 generations per day. That's plenty for most projects. Now, the exact same prompt goes into Ideogram. Same coffee poster, same words. Watch how it handles the text, daily brew, and that tagline. This is where it really shines. Look at that. Daily brew. Perfectly spelled. Even the tagline, fresh every morning, is clean and clear. Same prompt as Bing, but this text is actually readable. If you need text in your images, thumbnails, banners, posters, logos, Ideogram is your secret weapon. Compare that to Bing using the same prompt. See the difference? Ideogram wins for text, hands down. All right, so what if you need more creative control, maybe specific art styles, different models, or just higher quality outputs for a client project? That's where Leonardo.AI comes in. Leonardo gives you a generous amount of free daily credits, usually around 150 to 200, which is enough for 15-20 images, depending on your settings. It has a ton of features, but the free tier is very powerful. Here's where it gets interesting. You can pick different AI models like Leonardo Diffusion or Absolute Reality, and you can tweak a lot of settings. For a freelancer, this level of control for free is huge. Same coffee poster, one more time. But here's the difference. I get to pick the model and the style. Selecting something like Leonardo Diffusion XL changes the whole look and quality. Wow, look at that. Same coffee poster, but the lighting and detail are on another level. The text isn't ideogram perfect, but the image quality is the kind you usually pay for. For creators and designers who want real control, Leonardo.AI is incredibly powerful. So, who is each tool for? If you need quick, general purpose images, especially if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, Bing Image Creator via Copilot is your friend. It's fast, simple, and the quality is surprisingly good. But if text in your images is critical for logos, banners, or any graphic with readable words, Ideogram.ai is the clear winner. It's unique for that. And for serious creative control, specific art styles, and pushing for higher quality, Leonardo.AI gives you the tools you need all for free. It's fantastic for freelancers and artists. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't just use one tool, combine them. I often generate initial concepts in Bing, then move to Ideogram if I need text, or to Leonardo for refinement. Most people don't know this, but you can actually train custom models in Leonardo.ai even on the free tier. It uses your free credits. This means if you have a specific style or character you want to reuse, you can train Leonardo to understand your style. It's like having your own private AI artist. Yeah, I know. This feature alone can replace so many paid tools. You just upload 10, 20 images in the style you want and it learns. This is huge for consistency across your branding or content. So you can stop paying. Use Bing for quick ideas, Ideogram for perfect text, and Leonardo for creative control and custom models. That's how you crush it with free AI in 2026. Drop a comment below. Which free AI image generator are you using right now? Or did I miss your favorite? Let me know. If you want a deep dive into advanced prompting for any of these tools, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. I've also put all the links and more pro tips on my blog, linked in the description. And speaking of hidden features, I found a completely free AI video generator that is blowing my mind. It's almost too good to be true. Click this video right here to see my full review. You won't believe what it can do for free.